Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 50 Pro and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this general list we have to scroll and find the options, security and privacy. Let's tap on it. Then scroll down and tap on more security and privacy and localize encryption and credentials, which is almost at the very bottom of the list. So let's tap. Now let's tap on clear credentials and confirm it with OK. Of course, you will also have to confirm it with your screen lock. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.